I'm in a kitchen. We're gonna make some vegan chili. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using today. So, ingredients. You need onion. I'm gonna use 2 onions. I have a red bell pepper. I'm gonna use 2 red bell peppers. Okay. I'm going to use a can of red kidney beans. Okay. You can use any type of beans, your favorite. I do like red kidney with my chili. Use garlic powder if you don't have any garlic. You can substitute any powders that you have if you don't have the actual garlic or onions. Well, I do like, I mean, it does need onion. And garlic powder, some garlic salt. These are optional. You do need ground cumin. I'm gonna use some of this tomato sauce, just tomato sauce. I will be using diced tomatoes, a pack of chili seasoning. I will be using 1 1/2. Okay, I will also, for my meat, I will be using this vegan meat. It's called Gardein. Beef is ground beef, and it is vegan. So basically, let's get started. I'm just gonna chop up the onions and start mixing stuff up. Something else, you guys, I am using this pot here. It's a really nice pot that I got. This one is really cool. So I'm gonna put it on the stove and heat it up on medium. So, like medium right now. And this is my logo, my motto. And luckily they have good husbands that help clean the kitchen. Okay, so I'm just gonna get this started here in the fire. All right, so I put it on like medium high right now. I will be sauteing stuff. So let's chop up the onions and the veggies while things get heated up. Yeah. So we do have our veggies right here all ready to go. And then I am going to use some of these grapes. I will be placing this here. I'm going to transfer this over to a sheet and I'm just going to put it here. I'm going to start sauteing the veggies. And it looks like it might need a little bit more oil, so I will go ahead and put a little bit more oil in there. And I'm gonna turn the heat up to 7 right now in my electric stove. Let's turn it up to 7, okay? And I'm gonna put some ground cumin right now. So like a tablespoon of cumin. I'm eyeballing it right now. Get that nice. You want to let them sweat. You want to let the onions sweat right now. Okay, so after about 10 minutes of just letting it cook a little and like mixing it, stirring it occasionally, the veggies are very soft now, and then I will be adding my ingredients. So I do have these diced tomatoes, and I'm gonna add these to the chili. Just add it all, one can, and start mixing it. Just get it all going in there. Woo, my camera got moved out. Okay, and then I'm going to add to this. I'm going to add one full Hunt sauce. Okay, this is about a cup, or this 33 ounces. That's good for now. And then I'm gonna mix these ingredients together, so you know it's already soupy. And then to this, I will be adding the beans, the kidney beans. So I do have my washed kidney beans here. I just rinsed them out. Okay, and I will be adding that to this, and then stirring it in. Okay. Also, I'll be adding my meat, my vegan meat. So I have the Gardein. You can use this all the meat I have. You can use as much meat as you want for this recipe. And it's a little lumpy sometimes, so I like to break it up. So I'm mixing it in garlic powder. And I will put some, like 1/4 teaspoon. Start mixing that in. And also I'm gonna start doing my chili mix. So I have my chili right here. I have one whole packet and 1/2 of one. You like that flavor? I will put a little bit of salt, just because I didn't put any salt. And just let it boil for about 10-15 minutes, and your chili is ready. That's it, guys. Whoa, be careful, you might burn. Hi guys. So thank you. So we're just gonna cook 15 minutes and let it boil slowly, and we will mix it like every 5 minutes so it won't burn below. And then if you think it's too dry, you can put a little bit more of that sauce and keep mixing it in. You can put a little bit more of that McCormick seasoning, chili seasoning if you would like. So right now I'm just gonna wait, and let's wait 15 minutes. Alright guys, so my chili is ready. It looks really good, and just kept stirring it and stirring it. And I did pour myself some in this bowl right here. You can always eat this with some vegan cheese, or like add you know, like those little oyster crackers. I am gonna use mine with just regular saltine crackers. And then just, actually you guys, I like to crunch my nose. And then let's do the taste test. It's really hot. Just blow it. Heck yeah, guys. If you need any more salt, I think the seasoning, the chili seasoning has salt. It's really good, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It took me around 20 minutes tops to make this. It's chili, it's vegan, and it's so freaking good. So I hope you guys love it. You guys love it, and thanks for watching. Thank you.